Okay, welcome back to my channel. So this is another question on balancing of chemical equation. So in my previous videos, I said the elements of the compounds at your left side are called the reactants. Anytime you want to balance a chemical equation, just look at the whole equation. Note that the ones at your left side are called the reactants, while the ones at your right side are called the products. Okay. And this forward arrow you are seeing is called the forward reaction. You getting? In some chemical reactions, you see another arrow that is pointing backward, right? So that one is called a backward reaction. So I said before you want to start balancing any chemical equation, you should write out all the elements at your left side. Also write out all the elements at your right side. Okay, so let's write out the elements at our left side. Si is a symbol of silicon. Let's write it out. Now silicon first with equal to sign. The second one is what? Chlorine. Write it out. While the third one is what? Hydrogen. Write it out. And the fourth one is what? Oxygen. Write it out. So we are done with our left side. Let's come to our right side. The first one is what? Hydrogen. Write it out. The second one is what? Silicon. Write it out. The third one is what? Oxygen. Write it out. The fourth one is what? Chlorine. Write it out. So we are done writing down the elements, right? So the next thing to write is their specific atoms. Are you getting it? So let's start from our left side, which is silicon, the first one. Silicon have only one atom here. In my previous video, I said any single element you are seeing that is standing alone, like you are not seeing any number either here or here. That means that element what is having only one atom. Okay, so silicon is one here, and the next one is what? Chlorine. Chlorine has four. Look at it here, four here. The next one is hydrogen. Hydrogen have two here. The next one is what? Oxygen. Oxygen two have only one. So we are done with our left side. Let's come to our right side. The first one is hydrogen. Hydrogen have, we have hydrogen here, also have hydrogen here, right? So hydrogen here have one atom, right? While here that's four atoms. So we add them together. So 4 plus that one will give us 5 atoms. The next one is silicon. Silicon here have one. The next one is oxygen. Oxygen have 4 atoms here. Write it. Chlorine. Chlorine here has only one. Write it down. Okay. So the next step is to check if the equation is balanced or not. To know that your equation is balanced, then the atoms at your left side must be equal to the atoms at your right side. Are you getting it? If the silicon is 1 at your left side, the same thing, the silicon at your right side will still be 1. Okay? If chlorine is 4, the same thing there. The one at your right side will still be 4. Make sure they must be equal. So let's check if the equation is balanced or not. The first one is silicon, right? Silicon has one atom at the left side. Left side, the right side is 1. That means silicon is balanced. Let's come to chlorine. Chlorine is 4 here, but chlorine is only 1 here. That means it's not yet balanced. So what are we going to do? Let's introduce 4 here. This is 4. So this 4 is affecting both hydrogen and the chlorine. Please listen attentively so you won't miss the steps I'm taking. This 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the chlorine. I get me. So meaning that hydrogen have 4 atoms now. Also chlorine have 4 atoms now. Are you getting it? So chlorine is now 4, hydrogen is now 4. So let's write it. So 4 multiplied by the 1 atom we have before. So 4 multiplied by the 1 atom we have before. You know, here chlorine has only 1 atom before, now is 4, right? So 4 multiplied by that one, by this one, 4 multiplied by this one will give us what? 4. Are you getting it? So chlorine have 4 atoms now at the left side, also at the right side has what? 4 atoms now. Okay, chlorine is now balanced. So the next one is hydrogen. Let's check if hydrogen is balanced. Hydrogen at our left side is 2. Let's check our right side. Our right side is 5, meaning hydrogen is not yet balanced. So what are we going to do? Let's introduce 4 here, meaning this 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen. Okay, so 4 multiplied by these 2 will give us 8. Are you getting? Meaning hydrogen now have what? How many atoms? 8 atoms now. So 4 multiplied by these 2 give us 8. So hydrogen have 8 atoms at the left side, while the right side is only what? Have 5 atoms, meaning it's not yet balanced. So what are we going to do? Look at this place. So look at this place. You know that hydrogen have 4 atoms here, right? Also have 4 atoms here, right? So we add the atoms together, not multiplication. Are you getting it? Not multiplication, it's addition. So 4 plus 4 will give us 8. So this is 8 now. So hydrogen have 8 atoms in both the right side and the left side. So let's check oxygen, the last one. Oxygen have 1 atom at the left side and it has 4 atoms at the right side, meaning oxygen is not yet balanced. Look at this place. I said this 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen, right? So oxygen too have 4 atoms here. So 4 multiplied by this one is 4. So let's check the equation if it's balanced or not. Silicon have 1 here. So right side has 1 is balanced. Chlorine have 4. Here it has 4 is balanced. Hydrogen have 8 here. Have 8 here is balanced. Oxygen have 4 here. That's 4 here. So meaning that the equation is now chemically balanced because all the atoms at our left side are the same or equal to the atoms on the right side. That means the equation is now balanced. So this is how to balance the chemical equation. Please like this video, comment and share. Okay, if you have not followed this page, follow for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.